For today's video, I'm going to show you how to use plugins, or what we call them now as custom GPTs in ChatGPT. If you're looking to personalize your AI experience, you're in the right place. Just a reminder, this feature I'll be demonstrating is only available when you pay the Plus subscription to ChatGPT 4. For beginners, to easily navigate where you could select and use custom GPTs, find the Explore GPTs option right here in the left side of the interface. Once you click it, you're now ended up at a wide variety of custom GPTs you're willing to use, depending on which content to explore. If you're a business employee who is planning to create presentations with charts and data, you could use diagrams and data. If you want to dive deeper into music theories and composition, try the music teacher. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other ChatGPT nerds like us. So what I'll be planning for this video is to demonstrate two plugins or custom GPTs. One example right over here is the image generator, which comparing to the 3.5 model, you wouldn't be able to ask that version to generate a photo. So back here, let's see how this could be specified accurately with my prompt. So first, start chat. Then enter your prompt here that I just typed in. So here it is. Generate a suburban neighborhood setting in another planet. Then hit send. So as you can see, this is how it created that is accurately based on how I described it. It looks great when it came out with this. Another custom GPT or plugin that I like to try is a music playlist maker called Playlist AI. So based on the description, it says, connect your Spotify, Apple Music, Amazon Music, or Deezer account to create music playlists in your library. So since I have a Spotify account, it's very well interested for me to try it out myself. So let's start a new chat with this custom GPT or plugin right here, like so. Then I'd like to put in my prompt in the text box right here. So here's what I typed. Create a Spotify playlist on the K-pop music genre about anti-love. So let's see how Playlist AI would do its magic. As you can see right here, this is where the magic happened. As you can see, it already provided a link to the Spotify playlist that it assembled the recommended songs for me. So let's see what Playlist AI assembled some recommended songs for me. So here is what Playlist AI generated and put together the recommended songs it generated. It has 2NE1, Lonely, Blackpink's Kill This Love, everything right there. And that does it. And with that said, thank you guys for watching, and this is the tutorial on how you could use custom GPT just like this one.